Friends, election was held in Peru, a country in South America, and very interesting one. We'll just go over it in very short. Peru is a big country as far as South America is concerned, almost close to with a population of 32 million, and size is the third largest in South America. The neighboring countries mainly are Brazil, Chile, Colombia, and it's a beautiful country. Since it was a Spanish colony, the main language over here is Spanish. Population consists 5% of atheists, a big one. So the election is basically between two candidates who both claimed earlier to have victory, and the victory margin, if at all, will be less than 1%. Looks like one candidate, the left candidate, is Castillo, and second one is Fujimori. The first one is the left candidate, who is a son of a farmer, himself a teacher, had joined politics recently, not a big name. While the other one, Fujimori, she is daughter of Alberto Fujimori, ex-president of this country, who is in jail, in prison, serving a 25 years term for corruption and violating human rights. Well, Castillo, he is leading vote by with a 50.3%, while Fujimori is trailing with 49.7%, and total counting till Sunday was above 97%. What are the main differences going to happen if the left wing candidate wins and becomes the president of Peru? Naturally, another headache for imperialist America, just under its nose, and where its profit making entrepreneurship will get a kick in Peru. Castillo's party name is Free Peru, and what he promises change in constitution, change in mining laws, and this young man, 51 years old man, his basic support is from rural Peru, while the other one's basic support is from the urban Peru. Understandable. While on the other side, if Fuji becomes president, she talks about free market, she talks about further privatization, if anything left over. She is going to help copper producers, the capitalists. The second most or the second biggest country in the world to produce copper is Peru. And at present, Peru is facing similar problems like most of the countries in the world, like even ours. Economic slump, political uncertainties, recession, COVID deaths, guerrilla warfare, who recently killed 16 of them, 16 of the Peruvians. And one third of Peruvians are below poverty line. So, in this condition, the election result is very important. Both of them are pleading their people to keep calm, preserve peace, show respect to democracy, though it is expected that after whatever outcome is there, the other party, the loser, will have big processions, rallies. And naturally, if the left wins, the procession will be aided by American capital, American people, and those who are pro American. The share market will crash, and various other things will follow. So far, so good, friends. Looking forward for our own election in Uttar Pradesh. Thank you.